Hey, Dion here again with Hideaway Doors. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up our Biometric thumbprint maglock system. Okay, let's get started. Normally with this kit it comes with this 300-pound maglock. When I get that hooked up and done, if you have a mirror door and you want this same system, I'll show you the very simple and easy way to hook this mini mag up if you have a mirror door. Okay, let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure your power supply is not plugged in. This way we don't have any wires touch and could possibly fry anything. Your power supply is going to come with an end similar to this. And you'll take your wire strippers and cut that end off and expose your black and red wire. Okay, real quick, we sell two different power supplies and both of them will work for the same thing. One of them has the red and black wire and the other power supply has two black wires, one with white stripes going down it. Your white stripes will be your positive. And I'll go ahead and show you. The one with the red and black wire is a little bit wider, and the one with two black wires with white stripes is a little bit thinner. But they indeed both do the same thing and will work for this application. Okay, these are the wires coming from the power supply, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick my magnet on top there to kind of hold them in place and help me out a little bit. Alright, so we got our black and red wire from our power supply. We can go ahead and start hooking everything up. I went ahead and ran a jumper wire from the V negative on the magnet and the V positive, just to make this a little simpler. So we'll go ahead and hook all the positives up. So we'll go ahead and hook the positive from the maglock to the positive red wire from the power supply. We'll take the positive from the thumbprint reader and hook it up to the positive, the red wire. And then we'll take the positive from the push to exit and hook that up like that. Okay, there's all our positives. Now let's go ahead and hook up all our negatives. So we'll grab the negative from the push button, hook it to our negative from the power supply. Then we'll take our negative from our thumbprint reader, hook it up to the negative on the power supply. Okay, now the negative from the maglock is not going to hook to the negative from your power supply. It's going to get hooked up by itself to the orange wire from the thumb reader. So once again, your negative, V negative from your maglock will hook to the orange wire on your thumb reader. Let's take the green wire from your push to exit button and hook it to the negative from your power supply. And we're going to take the purple wire from your thumbprint reader and also hook it up to the negative on your power supply. Those are your common wires. And last to hook up is your yellow wire from your push to exit button to your thumbprint reader. Both yellow wires. You're going to hook yellow to yellow. Let's check everything. Okay, everything looks to be hooked up. Let's go ahead and test it. Alright, so before we get into testing, I want to touch base again on this mini mag. So if you get one of our mirror doors, you're not going to get this 300-pound lock, you're going to get this little mini mag. And it's the same hookup. So this is our V positive and V negative, which is positive and negative. It's just positive and negative. So you're going to take your positive wire, your red wire from your mini mag, you're going to hook it to the red, the positive, and you're going to take the black wire, the negative wire from the mini mag, and hook it up to the orange wire. So it hooks up exactly the same. It's just a smaller magnet. Alright, we'll go ahead and test it. Take our power supply and plug it in. I've got it hooked to this power strip, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you should hear this magnet take charge. There we go. Alright, we're lit up. Everything seems to be working good and on. Let's push our button and test it. Alright, that'll lock back. Alright, there we go. Okay, we went ahead and tested our push button and everything's fine there. So now we got to go ahead and program and test our thumbprint reader. So in your kit, you'll have a delete user card, an add user card, you'll have 10 key cards, 10 key fobs, your owner's manual, and this little remote that is very important. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you the easiest way to go ahead and program your key card, your key fob, and your thumbprint. In your kit there is a add user card and a delete user card. We'll grab the add user card, and both of them are in plastic and they say add user and delete user. So you want to grab your add user and go ahead and scan it. It'll light up solid green. Now we're ready to read our key fob, key card, and thumbprint. So let's grab our key fob. Okay, that took. We'll scan our card. That one's good. Now let's do our thumbprint. You have to do it twice. You put it down, it'll beep. Pull it back up, put it back down, it'll beep once and then beep again a little bit longer. So let's do the first one. There's that. Now the second. And there we go. And then you're going to grab your little remote. You're going to hit the star. It'll go solid red. And now we are ready to test our key fob, key card, and thumbprint. Alright, so let's test our key fob. Alright, green light, the magnet released, so we're good there. It should lock back. Alright, let's grab our key card. There we go, and it released. Should lock back. And now let's try the thumbprint. Sometimes this can be a little stingy, you just got to get it right. Alright, we're good. And there you have it. Okay, so we went ahead and programmed a key card, a key fob, and our thumbprint. So say we want to delete that. You have somebody that you don't want in there that you used to let in there or whatever. So you're going to grab your delete user card and you're basically going to repeat the same process. You're going to scan this delete user card, it'll light up green, and you're just going to run everything back through. You'll scan that key fob again, your key card, and then your thumbprint. You should only have to do your thumbprint once to delete it, but sometimes if you don't have it on there right, you may need to repeat that process. But we'll go ahead and hit the star, get the solid red. We'll try our key fob, access denied. Try our key card, access denied. Let's try our thumbprint, access denied. Alright, so we went ahead and programmed the key card, key fob, and thumbprint with our add user and then deleted them with a delete user card. So if you happen to lose these cards, You can also program those with the little remote that comes with the kit. And on pages 7, 8, and 9 in your manual, it starts the programming boxes, different functions. So for this particular video, I'm just going to use function 1 and function 2. And that function 1 allows me to add users, and function 2 allows me to delete users. In the manual, these are pre-programmed with a admin default code, and it is 6 9s. So you're going to take your remote and you're going to press star and then 9 6 times, and then pound. It'll flash green. Then you're going to hit 1. It'll go solid green. Now we're ready to scan our key card. We can scan our key fob and then the thumbprint. And then you're going to hit star again. It'll blink red. You hit it one more time and it'll go solid red. And let's test our card. Alright, that worked. It'll lock back. Key fob. Now our thumbprint. Okay. So then, if you want to delete that, you're going to do basically the same thing. So you'll hit star again, 9 6 times, pound. Now you're going to hit 2. It'll light up green, and you do the same thing. You read your card, read your key fob, and then your thumbprint. Hit star twice, solid red, and we should be denied access. And that's how you delete it, add users, and delete it with the remote. Okay, so that completes the hookup and programming of our Biometrics thumbprint magnetic system. Thank you for watching.